BDI 6684447 bucket teeth enable efficient excavation and are particularly suitable for farms, machinery plants, manufacturing, mining, construction, and other working environments. Our bolt-on Unitooth teeth are made of low-carbon alloy steel, ideal for high-powered ground engagement machines. They excel in digging hard soil, gravel or sand while ensuring extended digging service life. BDI Wear Parts specializes in bucket teeth and adapters. If you encounter any issues with our products, please feel free to contact us. You can trust us completely.